I'm Nora from Buffalo Barre. Welcome to our Fit in 15 by Buffalo Barre. Today we're going to do arms, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. So come into a beautiful second, plie. Your arms, your shoulders are elbows are going to be by your side, and you're going to squeeze your glutes and bring it out and in and out and in. Abs are in. Your belly button is glued to your spine. Bring it out and in. You can use weights right now. I'm not going to use the weights, but feel free to use weights. Bring it out and in and out and in. Now travel to the side. In, out. Cinch it in, out. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. And out and in and out and in. Two more. Here's out and in. Out, scoop it up. As you're scooping, come lower in your second and scoop and scoop. Make it sharp and sharp. Scoop, scoop. Squeeze your glutes. Shoulder blades in your back pocket. How you doing? Let's go. And scoop and scoop and scoop. Hold it here. Stretch it long. Now twist that doorknob. Twist that doorknob. Twist and twist and twist. Come lower in your second. Squeeze your glutes. Abs are in. Squeeze, squeeze, twist and twist. Wake everything up. And twist and twist. Four more. Here's three. Here's two. Last one right here. Bring it up and down. High fist up and down. You're still squeezing your glutes. Your knees are pushing back. Keep breathing. Up and down. Hold it up right here and push and press. As you're pressing, come lower in your second. Bring it up, up, up. Bring it down, down, down. One more time. Up, up, up. Push it here for 4, 3, and 2. Bring it first, bring it center, and push, and push. Abs are in, shoulder blades in your back pocket, long neck, proud chest. Keep pushing, pushing. How you feeling? I'm feeling it now. And push, and press, and press. Hold it here, and scoop, and scoop, scoop. Abs are in. Pretend there's a string pulling you up. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Hold it here, other way. Beautiful. Here we go. You feeling it? Oh yeah, we're warming up. Scoop, scoop, scoop for 4, 2, 1. Bring it out. Feet are in. Right leg back. Stretch it long. If you'd like, you can lift it off the ground. If not, just come into a nice long lunge, but your toe is just touching the ground. So your pinkies are up, and it's a small, sharp movement. Lift it up and pulse. Abs are in. Your neck is long. Your back is straight. Lean forward. You have a beautiful 45-degree angle in your back. And pulse and pulse. Stretch, stretch. The more than lifting, you're reaching. Reach to the side. Reach. Long muscles. Long. For 4, 3, 2. Thumbs are up right here. It's up. It's up. Stretch that back leg back. That right leg back. And reach. Up. Make it sharp. Make it long. Make it strong. For 4, 2, and 1. Press it forward. Forward. Little movements. Your arms are really strong. You can keep the weights for this or drop them. You're going to get a benefit. I'm feeling it now. Now remember, your belly button is to your spine. And push and press. 4, 3, 2. You guess it, we're going back. It's a small movement. Don't forget to breathe and reach, 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 reach for 4, 3, 2, 1, and roll your shoulders. So nice. Okay, great. Left leg back. Point that toe or lift it, your choice. I'm going to leave it on the ground for now. We're gonna lift our arms forward. So you want a nice long angle. Everything is long and strong. Your biceps are by your ears, and you're just gonna pulse it up and up. Abs are in. Breathe. Up, up. Now, if you can, to challenge yourself, lift that leg. Shoulder blades are in your back pocket. Make that adjustment. You don't want them up at your ears. So you lift it. You're pressing. Up, up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it side. Bring it forward. Side, forward. Your belly button's to your spine to support yourselves, to support your back. And side. Make it sharp. Out and in. Out. In. Out. Hold it here. Bring it back to triceps. Now I'm going to turn so you can see me. You can leave your foot on the ground or lift it up, your choice. But your hands are going to be above your hips. You're pulsing up. Abs are in. If your foot's on the ground, lunge forward even more. Pulse it. Reach it. Reach. Reach. For 4, 3, 2. Hold it here. Stretch it longer. Come lower and thumbs together. Thumbs together. How you doing? Feeling good. I'm so happy to be working out with you. Keep going. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Get ready. It's pinkies up right here and we're pulsing. Pulsing. Up. So rather than up, you're really reaching. You're reaching as much as you can to really get deep in that tricep. And reach. 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 Reach, hold it here, little circle, circle. So with that middle finger, you are tracing the size of a quarter. Circle, 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 circle. Let's keep going. Stop right here, stretch it longer, other way, circle. So your shoulder blades are in your back pocket. Your beautiful posture. Keep going, strong, strong, strong. 4 more, here's 4, 3, 2, hold it here, hold it, hold it, hold it. Turn your hands and walk. Walk with your hands. Don't forget to breathe. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, whoo! Yeah, okay, roll your shoulders. That is so nice, beautiful. Okay, come into a beautiful second. And we're going to move our hands into a diagonal. Actually, put your feet in together, and you're just going to lift and lift. Your pinkies are to the ceiling. Bend your knees. Your knees and your ankles are kissing. And lift and lift. Get deep. Go lower. 4, 3, 2, other way. Your thumbs are up and up. Reach it diagonally, reach it long. Reach, reach, reach. Hold it here, stretch it long, 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 and release. So now we're going to bring your right foot up into passe. So your right toe is touching your left knee. If you can't do that, bring it down. So coupe at the left ankle. And if it suits you better, then you can just rest your foot on the ground, your right foot on the front ground, with your left heel, your right heel touching your left. Put your arms up into goal post, and so your neck is long, your chest is proud, you're lifting up, and you're squeezing, and out, and in, and out. Squeeze your elbows together, and out. Abs are in, and out. Glutes are squeezing. Everything's squeezing, you're lifting. Every time you squeeze, lift higher and squeeze and higher. Abs are in and out, in and out. Let's keep going, in and out. Having fun? I am. Let's go. Don't forget to breathe. And in and out and in and out. Now hold it in, pulse it up and up. Abs are in, shoulder blades are down. Pulse, pulse. Squeeze your glutes. for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Try to bring your foot up. 2, hold it here, and release. Beautiful. Now other leg, so you can come up here to your passe, down to coupe, or down and hold that ankle against your right ankle, the heel against your right ankle. So your arms are out, stretch them long, bring them together, and out. Squeeze your glutes, long neck, proud chest, your shoulder blades are in your back pocket, together, and out. Squeeze together, and out. You can use weights for this. I'm still getting a fantastic workout without weights, so I'm not using them right now. And squeeze, and out, and squeeze, and out. Let's keep going. Up, in, and out, in, and out. 4, here's 3, lift up higher. Last 1, hold it out, little circles, and circle. Make it sharp, sharp. 4, 3, 2, other way. Little circle and circle. Engage every part of your arm. You're reaching, you're lifting, you're squeezing. Circle, 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 circle. Hold it, stretch it, and release. And now come down to the ground. And we're going to do some tricep dips. So your hands are facing your glutes, your feet, your heels are on the ground, your toes are up. So we'll start out, think about a string between your elbows. So they're just really together, they're parallel with each other on the plane. And you bend and lift, bend and lift. Now, this is an active workout. So even now, my abs are glued to my spinal cord. So lift and down, and lift and down, and lift. 4 more, here's 4. Don't forget to breathe. Here's 2. Last 1, hold it down right here and pulse, and pulse. Bend your elbows, and pulse, and pulse, and pulse. Hold it here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Lift it up, reach it forward. Reach for your toes. Stretch behind your knees. Beautiful. Now come on back up, and we're gonna go into a nice push-up. We're gonna still work those triceps here. We've warmed them up, so let's go deeper. So you're gonna put your hands in a diamond. You're on your knees, cross your ankles, and your hands are right below your chest. And you go down and up. Squeeze everything. Squeeze your glutes. Your abs are in, and down, and up, and down, and up. 4 more, here we go. Down, and up, down, and up. Last 1, hold it down right here. Pulse it, pulse it. Pulse, pulse. Don't just bounce. Be really conscious about just pulsing down. Don't forget to breathe. 4, 3, 2, hold it here. Squeeze your bum, abs are in, and release. Now go into a child's pose, and even here you're pulling your belly button to your spine. Your glutes are hitting your heels, and you're reaching forward with your arms. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna come back up and do some more tricep dips. This time we're gonna lift our bum. So, ready? If you can't, you can leave, you can sit down again, but we're gonna try to go down and up, down and up, and up and down and up. 4 more, here's 4, here's 3, 2, hold it in your challenge zone. Your bum is up, and pulse it for 8, 7, 6. You're gonna feel it. I'm feeling it. Woo! 3, 2, 1, and release. Lift up, reach for your toes. Now swing around, and we're gonna do more push-ups. So this time, our hands are gonna be staggered, and you're gonna keep changing your hands. So you're up on your knees, And you're going down, up, switch, down, up, switch, down, up, switch, down, up, switch. 4 more, here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Quick child's pose. Really stretch it long. One more exercise. So we're gonna go from a tricep dip. So remember, we lifted our bum, so we're gonna go down, down, and then we're gonna come up into a bridge. So you're really squeezing your glutes here. So you're down and squeeze, down and squeeze, down, squeeze, down and squeeze. 4, squeeze, 3, squeeze, 2, make it good. Last one, make it pretty. And squeeze, hold it here for squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And release, beautiful. Now point your toes, lift up high, and reach for your toes. Oh, that's so nice. Now bring your right arm across your chest. Shoulder blade is down. Just gently pull it. And now reach for your right elbow. You're reaching for your elbow, or you're reaching for your hand, and you're gonna lean to the opposite side. You're just gonna lean over. Enjoy the stretch. Ooh, I feel it, that feels great. So now your left arm comes across. Still, even when we're stretching, you're lifting up, your abs are in. Reach, reach, reach. And now you're pulling at your left elbow. Let that left hand just glide down your back and lean gently to the right. Oh, that feels really good. So nice. And you open up your body just slightly so your heart's open up when you're leaning. Beautiful. Well, I just want to thank you for working out with me today, and hope to see you again for a different part of this series for Fit in 15 by Buffalo Barre. See you soon.